Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Better Homes Designs, the place where we transform your home dreams into reality. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Today, we're diving into a housing trend that's big on space, smart on design, and easy on the planet: double-wide container homes. If you've ever felt the narrow pinch of a single shipping container home, get ready for a radical expansion. We're breaking down what they are, the incredible benefits, and counting down our top 10 breathtaking designs that prove you don't have to compromise on luxury or style. A double-wide container home is exactly what it sounds like: a home constructed by joining two standard shipping containers side by side to create a significantly wider and more livable space. Unlike a traditional single container, which is often limited to a narrow $8 foot width, combining two gives you a generous width of around $16 to $20 feet or more, depending on the containers used. Typically $40 foot high cube containers are preferred. This dramatically changes the internal layout possibilities, moving beyond the hallway feel to create genuine open-plan living areas, full-size bedrooms, and even expansive gourmet kitchens. It essentially doubles your living footprint, offering a budget-friendly and fast-to-build alternative to traditional construction without sacrificing that crucial sense of space. The benefits of opting for a double-wide container home are numerous and compelling, starting with affordability and speed. The containers are the core structure, which drastically reduces the cost and time spent on traditional framing. Much of the construction, including necessary modifications, insulation, and interior finishes, can be completed off-site in a factory, meaning you can move into your new home far quicker than a stick-built house. Furthermore, they are inherently durable and resilient. Made from Corten steel, these homes are designed to withstand harsh ocean travel, making them incredibly strong against extreme weather. Finally, there's the massive draw of sustainability. Repurposing used shipping containers, which would otherwise sit in ports or be melted down, is a major act of recycling, positioning your home at the forefront of the eco-friendly, green building movement. The modular nature also allows for future expansion. Simply add another container for a new bedroom, office, or gym. One of the biggest questions we get is, how do I make my container home look good from the outside? The key to a beautiful double-wide exterior is managing the industrial aesthetic. While some choose to embrace the corrugated steel for a raw, industrial chic look, most prefer a warmer feel. This is easily achieved with exterior cladding. Materials like wood siding, fiber cement panels, or even stucco can completely transform the home, making it indistinguishable from a custom-built house. Don't forget to add functional and aesthetic elements like a covered porch or a deck. A deck visually extends your indoor living space outwards and instantly adds curb appeal, while an overhang can provide crucial shading. Finally, maximize the flat roof potential with a green roof for added insulation and a stunning living aesthetic, or simply a rooftop deck for an elevated view. These additions not only boost the design, but also contribute to insulation and overall home performance. The versatility of shipping containers allows them to be adapted to several stunning architectural styles. First, modern and minimalist. Emphasizes clean lines, flat roofs, and a monochromatic color palette, often black, white, or dark gray. The original corrugated steel is sometimes exposed for an authentic industrial flair, complemented by large, unadorned glass windows. Second, contemporary farmhouse, achieved by softening the industrial lines with rustic elements. Think gabled roofs built over the containers, vertical white board and batten siding, and large wooden decks, successfully blending the modern structure with a cozy, traditional feel. Third, eco-friendly and sustainable, focuses on natural materials and energy-saving features. This includes extensive use of reclaimed wood cladding, living green roofs, passive solar design via large windows, and often an off-grid setup with visible solar panels. Fourth, industrial chic, a bold celebration of the container's origins. This style keeps the steel exposed, often in its original color, and features visible structural elements like metal stairs and railings, large metal doors, and an overall raw, functional aesthetic. Fifth, mid-century modern, achieved by staggering the containers to create different levels and overhangs, often featuring low-slung profiles, plenty of glass, and a mix of warm wood tones with dark trim, perfectly fitting the modern desert or hillside environment. And now, let's inspire your dream build. To show you exactly what this looks like, here are our top 10 double-wide container homes ideas. 1. Twin structure glass pavilion. A breathtaking example of modular symmetry. This double-wide setup uses 4 containers, 2 on each side, stacked or connected, to frame a beautiful, light-filled central entrance. The entire structure is clad in expansive, floor-to-ceiling glass panels and reflective metal siding, which elegantly contrast the natural landscape. The slight separation between the 2 main masses, connected by a glass-walled breezeway, enhances the feeling of light and openness, providing true luxury living with a commanding modern presence. 2. Symmetrical dual-wing house. Designed for a sloping or challenging site, this home consists of 2 separate double-wide masses, connected by a lower-level path, or bridge. The architecture is defined by the heavy use of glass, with one unit resting on a traditional foundation and the other exposing the original container sides. The design takes full advantage of the surrounding foliage, with the extensive windows creating a sense of immersion in nature. The symmetrical layout is both practical and aesthetically pleasing, offering privacy and distinct zones within the home. 3. The modern black farmhouse. This home proves you can achieve a classic, familiar silhouette using modular construction. The long, low-slung structure, likely made from 2 or 3 side-by-side containers, is fully covered in vertical black siding, giving it a contemporary farmhouse aesthetic. The only exposed contrast comes from the natural wood accents around the windows and the front porch posts, which add essential warmth. The dark metal roof and large windows create a cohesive, modern look that completely disguises the steel container origins. 4. Elevated desert stagger. An architectural marvel designed to maximize views and ground-level utility. The double-wide structure on the upper level is cleverly cantilevered over a brick-clad first floor, creating a covered open-air space perfect for parking or an outdoor patio. The exposed ends of the upper containers are fitted with railings, transforming the space into expansive balconies. The rustic gabion walls or wire cages filled with rock at the front contrast the clean, modern lines of the building, creating a unique and striking aesthetic. 5. Tropical resort-style living. This double-wide design is an excellent blueprint for a tropical getaway or modern compound. It features a main central structure with a rooftop deck and is flanked by 2 single containers set perpendicular, perhaps serving as private suites or guest rooms. The expansive wooden deck is the heart of the design, connecting all units and providing a seamless transition to the outdoors. The dark, sleek exterior contrasts beautifully with the lush greenery, creating a clean, resort-style environment. 6. Luxurious wood-clad residence. A massive and impressive multi-container build that rivals any traditional luxury home. The core structure is a double-wide base, with additional containers stacked and offset to create a large 2-story design. The exterior is almost entirely covered in horizontal wood siding and features an enormous amount of black-framed windows, flooding the interior with light. The protruding sections on the upper floor create small private balconies, while the large concrete pad offers a great front porch area, the ultimate blend of luxury, space, and modular design. 7. Multi-level eco-structure. This intricate design is a testament to the flexibility of container architecture, combining multiple units and levels around a central glass atrium and a magnificent natural tree. The original container corrugation is visible, but softened by a mix of bamboo screening and a dramatic corrugated metal roof structure. The combination of textures, raw steel, natural wood, and sheer glass creates a dynamic, organic industrial aesthetic that is both stunning and highly functional, providing excellent ventilation and natural light. 8. Vibrant indoor-outdoor loft. A bold and expressive design using two side-by-side containers to create an expansive, open-plan space. The exterior features the container's original orange hue, celebrating its industrial heritage. Crucially, the entire side is cut out and replaced with sliding glass walls and a full-height pivoting door, allowing the main living area to open completely onto a large, poured concrete patio. A dramatic cantilevered metal roof extends over the patio, providing essential shade and completing the perfect indoor-outdoor living experience. 9. Artistic urban statement. This design is a masterclass in integrating industrial materials with bold artistic expression. The double-wide and stacked containers maintain their raw, rusted finish, embracing the rough and ready aesthetic. The most striking feature is a massive, angled piece of a container used as a structural staircase and canopy, which is covered in vibrant, eye-catching street art. This home is a powerful example of using modular building to create a unique, uncompromising urban landmark. 10. The minimalist black box retreat. This stunning example of modern architecture seamlessly incorporates the container structure into a high-end residential design. Built from multiple units, it features a sophisticated blend of dark gray metal siding and warm horizontal wood cladding. The prominent two-story window boxes break up the monolithic structure and flood the interior with light, while the vertical wood slat screen on the right provides privacy and architectural interest. This home shows that container construction can be adapted perfectly for dense urban or suburban settings without sacrificing a custom, luxurious feel. The double-wide container home is truly the next evolution of modular living. It takes the cost efficiency, speed, and sustainability of container architecture and solves the main challenge, space. As you've seen in our top 10 countdown, with clever design choices in cladding, roofing, and window placement, you can create a home that is spacious, luxurious, and perfectly tailored to your dream lifestyle. Which of these double-wide designs was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you're planning your own container home journey, hit that like button, subscribe to Better Homes Designs for more innovative housing ideas, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.